In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to Salesforce and import Salesforce objects into Power BI. Now, if you're ready to dive into the data analysis realm and bridge the gap between these two powerful tools, then grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open your Power BI desktop. Imagine it as setting the stage for this integration. With Power BI up and running, you'll find yourself on the home page. From here, locate the Get Data from Other Sources option. Think of this as opening a door to a variety of data sources, and we're about to choose Salesforce from a well of options. Once you've clicked that, it's time to search for Salesforce within Power BI. There's an array of data services, but our focus is singular. Salesforce. Type in Salesforce into the search bar, making sure everything is correct and spelled right. This will filter down the options, and you'll soon see the one you're looking for. Next, you'll want to choose Salesforce Objects. This option will allow you to connect with those specific objects within your Salesforce account that you intend to work with. With that selected, go ahead and click the Connect button. It's essentially confirming that you're making a handshake between Power BI and Salesforce, initiating the connection. The next screen will prompt you to log into your Salesforce account. Here, you'll need to use your credentials to establish a secure connection. Just enter your username and password, ensuring you've entered everything correctly to avoid any login hiccups. Once you're logged in, the exciting part begins. You'll see a list of various Salesforce objects and tables, which are essentially different data sources within your Salesforce environment. From here, check the boxes next to the objects you want to import. Maybe you're starting small, or perhaps you're importing multiple tables. Either way, choose what you need for your analysis. After selecting your desired objects, click Load. This step begins importing the data from Salesforce into Power BI, making it ready for all your analytical needs. This might take a moment depending on how much data you're pulling in, but patience is key. Once the data is loaded, shift your focus to the report canvas in Power BI. Here you can drag fields or select the data that's now at your disposal. This is your creative workspace where you can start building reports and visualizations that transform raw data into meaningful insights. Experiment with the tools, visualize your data in different ways, and get a feel for how powerful this integration can really be. And there you have it, a streamlined process to connect Salesforce with Power BI and begin importing data objects to create insightful reports. Now that you're equipped with the knowledge to make it happen, go ahead and turn those numbers into narratives. Happy reporting!